For this review I have prepared really cool gaming keyboard. As you can see, this is the small gaming keyboard, but before I present you this keyboard, I'd like to show you what you will get in the box. So basically this keyboard comes from company Redragon, and besides the keyboard you will also receive these accessories. Basically you will receive spare parts like several different gaming switches in this small box, and on the other side there are step-by-step tutorial how to do replacement. Besides that, you will receive the tools which you need for changing the switches, one sticker and short user manual you will also receive. And besides that, you will receive USB cable in white color, and that's it. So basically these are all accessories which you will receive in this box for this gaming Redragon keyboard. So basically, first of all, I'd like to show you more details about this keyboard. As you can see, I personally have in white color, but it is also available in the black color also. And first thing, I want to show you how much is smaller this keyboard than the regular one. So basically, just a wait a moment. Okay. So basically it looks like this. This one is regular size and this is small size, and to be precise, lately they say this is 60% keyboard. It means that it has 40% less keys than the regular one, and because of that it is much smaller. So basically they are compact keyboards because they take less space and they're more comfortable for using, especially for gamers. So this is the difference between the regular one and this one. Also, when we speak about build quality, I must say that I am pleasantly surprised with build quality, because the case is really good made and the keys are also nice. So this is the mechanical keyboard and it uses brown switches. To be precise, it has 61 keys and they all have the brown switches. They're less the blue switches are more loud than the brown switches, and also the brown switches are really more nicely under the touch. So I am now going to show you how loud are the brown switches, so please listen. So basically they are not too loud, but please listen to the blue switches. So you can see that the blue switches are more loud than the brown switches. So this definitely is an advantage. And also the brown switches, when you touch the key, is more nicely work than the blue switches. So this is how the keyboard looks. And from other information, this keyboard has a built-in battery with capacity of 3000 mAh. Basically, this is very good feature because you don't need to bother with changing batteries when the battery is discharged. In this situation, when the battery is discharged, you only need to connect USB cable for charging, and I will going to show you this now. Okay, so basically on the left side of the keyboard we have USB Type-C connector. So basically this keyboard is you can use it wirelessly with Bluetooth connection, but if you don't want to use it wirelessly, you can connect USB cable, which you also receive in the box here. You connect here and other side to computer, and then you can use it with cable. You don't need to connect it with Bluetooth if you don't want, but at the same time this USB connector is also for charging the battery. So basically when the battery is discharged or almost discharged, the Bluetooth battery LED will start blinking, and it tells you that the battery is almost discharged and you need to charge it, and that's it. So the other connector is on off for turning on Bluetooth mode, or you don't. So basically if you want to use the keyboard with cable, then the switch needs to be on off. If you want to use the Bluetooth mode, then you need to turn on the Bluetooth mode, and then it offers you 3 different devices for connecting over Bluetooth. It is, as you can see, B1, B2, B3. So basically Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2 and Bluetooth 3. And as this keyboard uses Bluetooth 5, the latest Bluetooth technology for wireless connectivity, it is compatible with computers, laptops, smartphones, tablets and other devices. So basically you can make connection, for example, Bluetooth 1 connection with computer, Bluetooth 2 connection for laptop, and for example Bluetooth 3 connection for tablet, and then you just switch to desired connection and it will automatically connect with this device. So now I am going to connect the keyboard with USB cable to show you how the keyboard is working, and also how cool are RGB lights. Please stay tuned. So as I said, I have connected the keyboard with USB cable and the switch is turned off. So basically now I'm using the keyboard with USB cable, and as you can see the RGB lights are already working. A little later I am going to show you in completely dark how cool the RGB lights are. It has several pre-installed modes for RGB lights, which you can change like this. So basically you need to click on this key FN2 and the number 9, and then you are changing the modes for RGB modes. It has many different modes and it looks really cool. Me personally, I love to play games, and I am pretty sure that many gaming people or gamers will like this kind of keyboard, because it is not too much small or too big when we speak about dimensions. It is just fine for playing games, but also you can use it for typing some documents. But bear in mind that it has 40% less keys than standard keyboard. Also, in my opinion, it is definitely an advantage because it has a built-in battery. So basically you don't need to bother about changing the batteries, just connect USB cable and you are just fine to continue play games, and at the same time it is charging the battery. Also it has brown switches which are less loud than, for example, blue switches, and they are more comfortable when you're touching the keys. Also it is using the latest Bluetooth 5 technology, so it is compatible with many different devices for wireless use. Now I'm going to show you how the RGB lights are in completely dark. Please stay here. So as I said, you can see now the keyboard how it's working in completely dark, and you can see it is really cool. It has really cool RGB lights modes which are pre-installed and you can easily change them. But also if you want additionally adjust the RGB lights modes, or you can adjust some keyboard functions, then you can easily install the software from their website on your computer and adjust everything you want to do with this keyboard. Overall, it is really cool gaming mechanical keyboard, and at this moment the price is around $60, and in my opinion it is not too expensive to buy it. For more information, read from my description. Also, if you have any questions, please comment, and I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. And that's it about this really cool keyboard. Thank you, bye.